If you are after one of the best performing all-around tires in the max performance summer category, the Michelin Pilot Super Sport might just be the tire for you. Now, this option continues to impress not only our customers here at AM, but is also a perennial favorite amongst other automotive publications in its class and continues to set the bar for what a premium, all-encompassing tire should possess. And that is ultimate performance in dry conditions, but without sacrificing a ton of grip in the wet, while at the same time being extremely comfortable and quiet while on the road. Currently, the Michelin is available in diameters ranging from 17 to 20 inches and in section widths ranging from 205 to an absolutely monstrous 345 at its widest. As expected, guys, the pricing will vary depending on your tires, but expect the cheapest size to come in right around 150 bucks, while the most expensive will land just north of 500 bucks per tire. So Michelin has built quite a reputation around their outstanding Pilot lineup, which also happens to include the newer Sport 4S and the incredible Sport Cup 2 tire, but the Pilot Super Sport here is one of the OGs of the Pilot lineup, along with the original Sport. And even though the PSS is starting to show its age amongst competitors and even within its own brand, it's still a highly sought after tire that can pretty much do it all, with the exception of snow performance, of course, because again, this is a max performance summer tire and therefore really shouldn't be driven in or around freezing temperatures. But let's dissect the Pilot Super Sport, or PSS here for short, and let's start with those UTQG numbers. And you're going to be looking at a 300 for tread wear, which is pretty average in the category, along with a AA for traction and a single A for temperature, the highest available in its class. Now, for reference sake here, guys, the Sport Cup 2 will feature a tread wear of about 160, so nearly half of the PSS here, and therefore is going to be much softer. Think about it like this: the PSS, or Pilot Super Sport here, is a street tire that you can drive on the track, where the Sport Cup 2 is a track tire that you can drive on the street. Now, both are going to be incredibly good, but the PSS here is going to be a little bit more forgiving in regards to wear and also wet weather performance. And in regards to wear, Michelin backs the PSS here with a 30,000 mile tread wear warranty from the manufacturer, of course, which is relatively unheard of in the category, and even more so for a summer tire, which, let's be honest, they tend to wear a little bit faster than the all-season. The PSS is an asymmetrical tire, meaning it can be rotated in the traditional sense, which will only help the tire achieve the manufacturer's warranty or mileage claims. But enough about all of that. How does this tire continue to kick so much butt in regards to performance? Well, Michelin's going to tell you they spent a lot of time developing this thing, doing their homework during the course of some endurance racing and even Le Mans. Now, the PSS actually features a bi-compound tread with that endurance racing or pedigree towards the outside here. That's where they've gained all of their experience, of course. And then their latest generation wet compound for the center. So you're getting kind of the best of both worlds here with the Pilot Super Sport. Now, you're not going to find a lot of tread void here on the outer groove or outer shoulder area of the tire, and that was done to help improve your traction when cornering hard, as the tire or the car tends to roll over onto the outer portion of the PSS. The center section, on the other hand, is going to include some notched center ribs, along with that wet compound we just talked about, to again help promote or improve performance in the rain. Now, the tread pattern is also one that's going to help promote a very quiet and comfortable ride while on the road, and that is something that a lot of our customers have pointed out in the review section. As always, read up on that before pulling the trigger. It's a great way to get some real-world feedback from guys out there putting the miles in on this tire. One more thing to keep in mind here is that you can pair up the Michelin Pilot Super Sport with a lot of your favorite wheels on the site using our pre-assembled wheel and tire kits. Now, if you guys aren't familiar with this, basically we're going to mount and balance these things on your favorite wheels. We're going to install those optional TPMS sensors if selected, and then we're going to ship them to your door absolutely free of charge. And the nice thing to point out with these pre-assembled wheel and tire kits is that they're guaranteed to fit your ride without rubbing, even if your car is lowered a little bit. So wrapping this one up, the Michelin Pilot Super Sport might be a tad pricey compared to some of your other options in the max performance tire category. However, the legendary performance and reputation of the Michelin here more than make up the added cost. And you can grab your set of Michelin Pilot Super Sport tires right here at AmericanMuscle.com.